This is some bad quality headphones. Teach them out. Take some good stuff. Watch this whole video to find out why Anker Soundcore Q20i is the best budget headphones for workout. Okay, let's first do some unboxing of these Anker Soundcore headphones. This is the box. Here are the headphones. And let's see what we have here. This is the cable, 3.5 millimeter cable, and some instructions manual. And that's all. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tiger's Heart. Today I'm going to review this Anker Soundcore Q20i pure bass, no noise, over-ear headphones. So first let's talk something about materials. You can see here this is very good plastic material. You can feel the quality when you touch it. It is not some cheap plastic. The engraving on this piece here is beautiful. You can read Soundcore. Here is some Anker logo, also very nice. The color of this headphone is blue, dark blue, almost black, but on a daily light it looks more like dark blue, but when you have artificial light they look almost black. Now let's talk something about materials here. You can fold them very easy. Let's turn it like this. You can see here inside it is very soft sponge. This part is touching your ear, so it has to be very soft. Here are inside, I hope that you can see that. Here are the signs L and R, so you don't mess your left and right ear. Also, you have this sign here engraved on this plastic R, and on this side you have L. This piece here is something extraordinary. It is so soft and plushy. I hope that you can see how soft this part here is, because when you are wearing these headphones for a long period of time, it is very important that this part here is soft. Because if you had some hard piece here, it could be little uncomfortable to wear them for long time. I will show you some other headphones and what that I mean. This is my old Denver headphones. You can see here it has very bad material. This material peels off, and this piece here, it's soft, but not soft like this Anker. This Anker is so plushy. This piece is little harder, and you can feel them after some times. And to show you some difference, this is not headphones, but this is ear muff from 3M. I use them when I need to work and I need time to concentrate, but this piece here, it is very hard. When you wear them for some longer time, you can feel that. So this piece here it is very important that is soft and plushy like this. Also, this piece here, which is touching top of your head, is also soft and plushy. Also, this upper part is the same fox leather that is nice for touching. Now let's take these nylon pieces. Nice. Let's take this one. Okay. Now let's talk something about sound quality. I bought this Anker Soundcore for $39. That is a pretty fair price. They were discounted, and this is very good value for your money. You can turn them on here with this middle button. This upper button plus and minus is for taking volume up or down. This part here, when you long press it, you can turn it on and turn it off, or you can change modes on these headphones. The sound quality on these headphones is exceptional. When you put it on, you can choose from 3 different modes. You can choose transparency mode, you can choose normal mode, and you can choose quiet mode. When you choose transparency mode, you can hear normally your music. You can hear also people talking from outside and any traffic noises or anything. That is very good when you are training outside, and it is important to hear car horn, traffic, or anything like that. Then you have quiet mode when you work out in the gym and you don't want to hear other people talking anything. You just want to concentrate to your training. You put them on the quiet mode and you only listen your music. In the middle of that is normal mode. When you put it in a normal mode, you can also hear your music, but you can also hear very quiet people talking outside. So you can change that modes depending on the type of training you are doing. When we are talking about sound quality is perfect. You can hear everything very nice. The bass is great. The stereo sound is great. Just exceptional. When you're comparing them to these old Denver headphones, you cannot even compare the sound. This one has such a bad stereo sound, but this one is exceptional. One also important thing when you wear these headphones is when you put it on your head, that they stay on place. I mean, you don't want headphones to fall off your head, you know that, but it's headphones, you can see, you can stretch them very nice. You can move them in any directions. They are so flexible, so great. You can fold them like this. You can put it in your small gym bag or anything. You can turn them like this. You can change the ways like you want to store them. But for me, very important thing is that they hold their place when you put it on your head. When you are doing boxing, heavy bag workout or shadow boxing, or when you're doing some vigorous movement, when you work out with your body weight or with the weights. What I want to tell you, I want to tell you when you put them on, they stay on the place and they are great for 90% of your workout, but when you are doing some extra vigorous workout like burpees, in the moment when you smash on the ground, they slip a little from your head. That is only some small issue, but for everything else, they are great. When I'm doing a heavy bag boxing or when I'm doing shadow boxing, they stay on the place. They are great for that. But they are also great for that they are not pressing your head too much. I can show you on this one. This one are so strong. They press your head so hard that you can feel your outer pieces of your ear. You can feel pressure, and they start to hurt after few hours. But this one, they have a nice grip, but it won't hurt you when you wear them for long period of time. That is some very good advantage of them. I want to tell you, go for these headphones, buy this Anker Soundcore Q20i pure bass headphones. They are great. They are simply great for your money. You will not find better budget workout headphones than these Anker ones. They are so great. So go for them. Guys, I hope that you like this video. Please like it, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.